Hi friends, this is Lakshmi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about strength of acids and bases. Strength of acids and bases. How do you say which acid is strong acid or weak acid? Which base is strong base or weak base? How do you say? Depending on the hydrolysis, first one, depending on the hydrolysis, you say which acid is strong acid or weak acid, which base is strong base or weak base. This is strength of acids and bases. In this, acids react with water to produce H3O plus ion. H3O plus ion means hydronium ion. Its name is hydronium ion. But bases which react with water to form OH minus ion. OH minus ion means hydroxide ion. Okay? Acids react with water to form hydronium ion. Bases react with water to form hydroxide ion. The compound which produce hydronium ion when react with water are called acids. The compounds which produce hydroxide ion when it is react with water is called bases. Okay? Depending on the number of hydronium ions and hydroxide ion, you say the strength of acids and bases. For example, acids react with water to form hydronium ion. The compounds which produce the acids which produce more number of hydronium ions. More number of hydronium ions are called strong acid. The acids which produce less number of hydronium ions are called weak acid. Okay? The acids which react with water to form more number of hydronium ions are called strong acids. The compounds are the acids which react with water to produce less number of hydronium ions are called weak acids. For example, HCl means hydrochloric acid react with water to form more number of hydronium ions. So it is strong acid. Strong acid. Why? It produces more number of hydronium ions react with water. Next example, H2SO4. H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. HNO3. HNO3 means nitric oxide. These are all strong acids. Next, weak acids. Examples, CH3COOH means acetic acid or ethanoic acid. HCOOH means formic acid or methanoic acid. These two are examples of weak acids. Okay? In the same way, bases react with water, produce which ions? Hydroxide ions. The bases which produce more number of hydroxide ions are called strong bases. Strong bases. The bases which produce less number of hydroxide ions are called weak bases. What are the examples of strong bases? NaOH. The general name of NaOH is caustic soda. Next, KOH, potassium hydroxide. Where sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are used? Preparation of soaps. Okay. Next, what are the examples of weak bases? Examples of weak bases: ammonium hydroxide, magnesium, MgOH taken twice, magnesium hydroxide. Where ammonium hydroxide are used? Glass cleaner. What is the general name of magnesium hydroxide? Milk of magnesia. It is used as an antacid. Okay. This is about strong acid or weak acid, strong base or weak base. Next, first, how can, depending on the hydrolysis, you say which acid is a strong or weak. Next, acids or bases react with water. Acids and bases react with water to produce more energy. More energy or heat. So, these reactions are called exothermic reactions. Exothermic reactions. Why it is called exothermic reactions? Acids or bases react with water to produce more energy. So, it is called exothermic reactions. Energy releasing reactions are called exothermic reactions. Energy gaining reactions are called endothermic reactions. Okay? Exothermic means energy release. Endothermic reactions means energy gain. Okay? Next, another method to identify which acid is strong or weak, which base is strong or weak, that is universal indicators. Universal indicators. Universal indicators means mixing of different indicators. Okay? These indicators show different color in different concentration of the solution. Okay? Why it is used? To know the strength of acid and base. Universal indicators means mixing of different indicators. It shows different colors. Show different colors in different concentrations. Okay? This is the second method. First method is hydrolysis. Second one is universal indicator. Third one is pH values. What is that? pH values. How do you know strength of acid or bases? Depending on the hydrolysis. Second one, universal indicators. Third one, pH values. Okay? Acids react with water. Which ion is formed? Hydronium ion. Bases react with water. Which ion is formed? Hydroxide ion. Best example of weak acid is acetic acid is the best example of weak acid. Best example of weak base is ammonium hydroxide. Okay? Universal indicators means mixing of different indicators. It shows different colors in different concentration. Third one is pH values. pH values. The pH scale was introduced by Sorensen. Sorensen. pH means minus log H plus. Here brackets indicates hydrogen concentration of hydrogen ion. H plus means hydrogen ion. pH is defined as minus negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. What is pH? Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. pH was introduced by Sorensen. In this, coefficient values are converted into the powers convert into the coefficient values. Okay? You can, ఇక్కడ ఏం లేకపోతే ఏమున్నట్టు 1. So, log H plus this minus 1 is converted into the powers. Okay? A power of minus 1 equal to 1 by A. In the same way, you can write log 1 by H plus. Okay? pH equal log 1 by H plus ion concentration. Okay? Here, P means potential. What is that? Potential. In German words, potential means power. Okay? pH is defined as the power of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. Important. The power of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. Okay? pH values was introduced by Sorensen. pH equal minus log H plus ion concentration. Okay? Here coefficient values are converted into the powers convert into the pH, coefficient values. So, here minus 1 is converted into the powers. Log 1 by H plus. P means potential. Potential means in German language power. pH is defined as the power of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay. The power of pH is applicable to only the concentration of 10 to the power of minus 14 moles to 1 mole. These pH values only applicable to the concentration of 10 to the power of minus 14 m to 1 m. M means molite. Okay. So, what are the pH values? pH values range is 0 to 14. pH values will be 0 to 14. You can see the pH scale. 0 to 14. In middle, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is pH scale. Okay, pH values in between 0 to 14. Here, what is the middle? 7. 7 is the neutral. Okay, it is not acid or base. It is neutral. From 7 to 0, move this side. From 7 to 0, pH values will be decrease. pH values will be decrease. Okay, but the acidic nature is increased. Acidic nature increase. From 7 to 0, pH values will be decreased. Okay, but acidic nature is decreased. So, in one, strong acid or weak acid? pH is 1 is strong acid. Why? From 7 to 0, acidic nature is increased. Here, from 7 to 14, pH values increased. pH increased. In the same way, basic nature also increased. Okay? So, here, what is the strong base? What is the strong base pH value? 14. This is strong. Weak. From 7 to 14, the basic nature will be increased. From 7 to 0, the acidic nature is increased. pH values will be decreased. Okay, this is about pH scale. Next, for acids, H plus ion concentration is more or OH minus I concentration is more? For acids, H plus ion concentration is more. The pH values in between 0 to 6. Okay? pH is less than 7. This is about acids. Okay? For bases, H plus concentration is decreased. OH minus concentration is increased. H plus concentration is less than hydroxide ion concentration. Here, pH values will be not 7, 7.1 to 14. Okay? pH is, sorry. pH is here less than 7. Sorry, sir. Here, pH is more than 7. Okay? For neutral solutions, H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. Okay? So, pH equal 7. Pure distilled water have 7 pH. Okay? This is about pH. pH values was introduced by Sorensen. pH equal negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. P means potential. In German words, potential means power. pH equal the power of hydrogen ion concentration. The pH value is only applicable to the concentration of 10 to the power of minus 14 m to 1 m solutions. Here, the pH values will be 0 to 14. This is the pH scale. In middle, 7 is the neutral. From 7 to 0, pH values will be decreased, acidic nature will be increased. From 7 to 14, pH values will be increased, basic nature also increased. For acids, hydrogen ion concentration is more than hydroxide ion concentration. pH will be 0 to 6. pH is less than 7. For bases, hydrogen ion concentration is less than hydroxide ion concentration. pH will be 7.1 to 40. pH is more than 7. For neutral solutions, hydrogen ion concentration is equal to the hydroxide ion concentration. So, pH is the 7. Okay? Next. You can remember 4 formulas about pH. Important. So, what is the pH? pH equal negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH. In the same way, pOH equal minus log OH minus ion concentration. Okay. What is the relationship between pH and pOH? pH plus pOH equal 14. Okay. pH equal 14 minus pOH. These formulas are very important. pH equal minus log H plus ion concentration. pOH equal minus log OH minus ion concentration. This one is very important. Next, how can you know concentration of H plus ion? Formula, concentration of H plus ion equal 10 to the power of minus pH. In the same way, OH minus ion concentration equal 10 to the power of minus pOH. Okay, these formulas are very important. You can remember. Next, you can see the some problems. First one, what is the pH of 10 to the power of minus 9 molar solution? What is the pH of 10 to the power of minus 9 molar solution? Here you can give concentration of H plus ion equal 10 to the power of minus 9. pH equal minus log H plus ion concentration. So, minus log here 10 to the power of minus 9. Here powers is converting to the coefficient. So, you can write 9 log 10. Okay. Log 10 value is 1. Log 1 value is 0. Okay. You can remember this one also. So, 9 log 10. Log 10 value is 1. So, 9 into 1 equal 9. So, what is the pH? pH equal 9. Directly you can say, what is the number in the powers? Minus 9. You can remove the minus and then write pH equal 9 directly. Next problem, what is the pH of 10 to the power of minus 3 solution? Here directly you can say, you can remove the minus and then pH equal 3. Okay. What is the nature of this solution? pH is 3. It is below 7. So, it have acidic nature. Next problem. What is the nature of 10 to the power of minus 7 molar solution? Here first you know the pH. First you calculate the pH. pH equal in the power, what is the number? 7. So you can remove the minus, then write directly pH equal 7. pH equal 7. It is neutral solution. Okay. What is the nature of solution? Neutral. Next question. What is the pH of 0.5 0.01 molar solution. Here 0.01 you can write as 1 by 100. 10 to the power of minus 2. In the power, what is the number? 2. So pH equal 2. Directly you can say after point how many digits are there? 2 digits. So the answer is 2. Next question. What is the pH of 0.1 molar solution? Here, after the point, how many digits are there? 1 digit. So, pH equal 1. Okay? Here some more problems. Next problem. What is the pH of 0.1 molar NaOH solution? Here, how to calculate pH? First, he will give, this is not H plus ion concentration. This is OH minus ion concentration. Why? NaOH is the base. POH equal, after point, how many digits are there? 1 digit. So, POH equal 1. What is the relationship between pH and POH? pH plus POH equal 14. So, pH equal 14 minus 1 equal 13. pH is the 13. Okay? Next question. What is the pH of 1 molar HCl solution? Okay? What is the formula? pH equal minus log H plus ion concentration. Here, minus log, what is that? 1. Log 1 value is 0. So, pH equal 0. Okay? Next. What is the concentration of H plus ions in the pH of 2? ఇక్కడ pH ఇచ్చారు, concentration of H plus ions ని కనుక్కోమన్నారు. What is the formula? H plus ions equal 10 to the power of minus pH. So 10 to the power of minus 2. Written as 1 by 100. So 0.01 molar. This is the concentration of H plus ions. We'll give some pH values. Then we will write weak acid or weak base. pH equal 1. pH equal 7. pH equal 8. pH equal 5. pH equal 14. pH equal 9. So you can write which is the strong base or strong acid, which is the weak base or weak acid. Here pH equal 1. So below 7 have acidic nature. So the solution has acidic nature. pH equal 7 is the neutral. Okay. Here 0 to 14, that is 7. This is the neutral. pH equal 8. After 7, 8 is coming. So from 7 to 14, basic nature is increased. So 8 is the basic solution. pH equal 5. Before 7, 5 is there. So it is acidic. pH equal 14. After 7, 14 is there. So it is base. pH equal 9. After 7, 9 is there. So it is base. But how do you say which is the strong acid or weak acid? From 7 to 0, acidic nature is increased. pH values will be decreased. So here pH equal 1, pH equal 5. Both are acidic. But which is the strong acid? pH 1 is the strong acid. This is the strong. pH equal 5 equal weak. Okay. Compare pH equal 8, pH 14, pH 9. Among these, which is the strong base and which is the weak base? Here, from 7 to 14, basic nature is increased. So, pH equal 14 is the strong base. Okay. Here, pH equal 8 is the weak base. This is about strength of acids and bases. Okay. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.